name's John Buckle, and I'm going to teach my son how to hit a tennis ball this time. This is going to be the tennis ball, and this is the racket. Son, get over here.
No.
Son, here now. Hold the racket. Oh, good. You're actually getting better.
Yay.
Okay, now try and hit it. I'm going to throw it at you and try and hit it, yeah? Good one. You cry at everything. You're a little baby. Get up and try and do it again. Get up. Get up. Oh, the guinea pigs have taken it. Okay, now try and hit the tennis ball, okay? Now, go. Why are you laughing?
It's a trampoline.
Yeah, but it could have hit me.
That's not good.
Exactly. Go to your room.
I hurt myself in the air.
Good. Now go away.